Picture this. You're basking in the sun on your dream cruise, but lurking in the ports are scammers ready to turn your paradise into a nightmare. In this video, I'll expose the top 5 cruise scams that snare unsuspecting travelers and show you how to sail right past them. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we make travel smarter and safer. If you're planning a cruise, you know the excitement of setting sail, exploring exotic ports, and indulging in all-you-can-eat buffets. But here's the thing. Cruises attract more than just tourists. They draw in scammers looking for easy marks. These cons can hit you before you even board, or right in the heart of a bustling port. Today, we're doing a countdown of the top 5 cruise scams you need to watch out for. I'll break down what each one is, how it works, and why it's such a red flag. Plus, quick tips to steer clear. Let's start the countdown. Number 5. Fake cruise line customer service calls. This one's sneaky and hits you before you even leave home. Scammers set up fake websites or post bogus phone numbers on social media and search engines, posing as official cruise line reps. They'll call or email you claiming there's an urgent issue with your booking, like an unpaid docking fee or a reservation glitch, and demand immediate payment over the phone. What it really is? A ploy to steal your credit card info or trick you into wiring money. Why avoid it? These fraudsters aren't just after a quick buck. They can rack up thousands in charges on your card, and recovering from identity theft is a headache that can ruin your pre-cruise buzz. How to dodge it? Always contact the cruise line through their official app or website. Never click on unsolicited links or share details over random calls. If it feels off, hang up and verify directly. Pro tip: download your cruise line's app early and use it for all communications. This scam is rampant because cruisers are excited and distracted, but staying vigilant keeps you safe. Number 4. Unmetered or fake taxi scams in ports. The classic port arrival chaos. You step off the ship, eager to explore, and a friendly driver waves you into their cab, promising a quick ride to the beach or city center. But oops, the meter's broken, or there isn't one at all. They take the scenic, read longest route, and suddenly your short trip costs triple what it should. What it is? Unlicensed taxis preying on tired, unfamiliar travelers, often with no insurance or safety standards. Why avoid it? Beyond the overcharge, these rides can be unsafe. Drivers might not be vetted, leading to accidents or worse, and disputing fares in a foreign country is a nightmare. I've heard stories of passengers missing their ship's departure because of detours. To protect yourself, stick to official taxi stands or ride shares recommended by the cruise line. Agree on a fare up front, use apps like Uber if available, and track the route on your phone's GPS. If they refuse to turn on the meter, walk away. Remember, a legit driver won't mind transparency. This scam thrives on your rush to start the fun. Number 3. Discount excursion ripoffs. Who doesn't love a bargain? Scammers know that, so they set up kiosks or approach you in ports with exclusive tours at half the price of the ship's excursions. Sounds great until the tour turns into a forced shopping stop at a friend's store where you're pressured to buy overpriced souvenirs to continue the adventure. What it is? Bogus operators who prioritize commissions from shops over actual sightseeing, with often subpar guides or unsafe vehicles. Why avoid it? You could end up stranded if the timing doesn't align with your ship's schedule, or worse, injured without proper insurance. Cruise lines won't help if you're not on their booked tour, and refunds? Forget it. These are cash-only deals designed to disappear. Safeguard your day. Book excursions through the cruise line for guarantees like on-time returns and quality control. If going independent, use reputable sites like Viator or TripAdvisor, read reviews, and pay with a credit card for dispute protection. Don't let FOMO lead you into a trap. A little research saves big regrets. Number 2. Free gifts or samples leading to high-pressure sales. You're wandering the port market, and a smiling vendor hands you a free bracelet, flower, or sample, saying it's a welcome gift. But as you try to leave, they demand payment or guilt you into their shop for more. Inside, it's a barrage of sales pitches for jewelry, rugs, or trinkets at inflated prices, with tactics like limited time only or fake haggling. What it is? A bait and switch where the freebie is the hook to reel you into aggressive selling. Why avoid it? These setups waste your precious port time, and the pressure can lead to impulse buys you regret. Plus, some items might be counterfeit or low quality, not worth the hassle at customs. In extreme cases, refusing can turn confrontational. stay smart. Politely decline any unsolicited gifts right away with a firm no thank you, and keep walking. Shop at established stores with clear pricing and set a budget beforehand. If you're with a group, stick together for support. This scam plays on politeness, but remember, nothing's truly free in tourist zones. Topping our list is this deceptive delight, especially common in places like the Bahamas. A charming local invites you to a nearby spa or bar for a complimentary facial, massage, or drink, often with promises of relaxation. Once there, the sales team swoops in, diagnosing fake skin issues and pushing thousands in worthless products, sometimes spiking drinks to impair judgment. What it is? A lure into a high-pressure environment where alcohol or even subtle drugging makes you more susceptible to signing for exorbitant charges. Why avoid it? Victims have reported waking up to $5,000 plus credit card hits for creams that do nothing, and fighting international disputes is exhausting. It's not just financial. Safety is at risk with unknown substances. Your best defense? Just say no to any off-ship invites from strangers, no matter how friendly. If you want a spa day, book through the ship's services. Share your plans with travel buddies and keep your wits about you. This scam plays on the vacation mindset of trying new things, but caution keeps it magical. Whew, there you have it, the top 5 cruise scams that could turn your seafaring adventures sour. From phony phone calls to portside pressures, the key is staying informed, booking smart, and trusting your gut. Remember, a great cruise is about memories, not mishaps, so arm yourself with these tips and sail confidently. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel hacks, and drop a comment below. What's the sketchiest thing you've encountered on a cruise? Hit that bell for notifications so you never miss out. Safe travels, folks. See you in the next video.